Ever considered opening a bank account in Argentina without any hassle? Then watch this video for a hassle-free guide if you're planning to open an account. This is your step-by-step companion to smooth banking in Argentina. So when you're thinking about banks in Argentina, whether you're an individual or a business, you can pick the kind of banks that suits your financial needs. Before deciding, it's a good idea to check what each bank offers, like their fees and what customers says about them. Keep in mind that banking rules and services might change, so it's smart to stay updated on what's happening in the banking world. So opening a bank account in Argentina online is a simple process that you can easily navigate, but you need to start by choosing a bank that offers online account opening services like Banco Frances, Banco Santander Rio, or HSBC. So once you've made your choice, head to the bank's official website and find the section related to account opening or personal banking. Look for the Open an Account option and click on it to begin the online application. Now, if you're a foreigner thinking about opening a bank account in Argentina, it's essential to know that as of now, you need to be a permanent resident and no exceptions are made, so this means that as a foreigner, you will have to go through the process of becoming a permanent resident before gaining access to local banking services. Keep an eye out for any changes in requirements, and if you're planning to stay in Argentina, then obtaining permanent residency will likely be the initial step in setting up your bank account. And there you have it, a quick guide to open a bank account in Argentina. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.